आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज टीवी 74 खबर शामिल करते हैं।
Rana Basharat Ali Khan warns 3.8 million Afghan girls are denied education. Chairman of the International Human Rights Movement has expressed deep concern over the worsening humanitarian and human rights situation in Afghanistan. He stated that 3.8 million Afghan girls are currently out of school, putting the future of an entire generation at risk. He also highlighted that millions of Afghans continue to face poverty, hunger, and insecurity, with nearly 22 million people requiring humanitarian assistance. Rana Basharat Ali Khan called for the protection of women's and girls' rights, unrestricted access to education, increased humanitarian aid, and urgent action to uphold the dignity and fundamental freedoms of all Afghan citizens.